Hello, everybody. It is a month later again, and we are here in the meeting together with a lot of intelligent people who already asked me a lot of questions before the recording, and normally the Q&A is after the recording, but we had a good chat. But I promised them to also give them a recording, so here we go. Who am I? I am Kaat Jacobs. I'm a top expert and the creator of India. I am active on the Skyward community platform since 2017. My profession is I'm a coach, a personal trainer, and a motivational speaker. You can always get in contact with me and my team, india@skyway.capital, and you have my WhatsApp number. Only use that WhatsApp number if it's really urgent. And nobody is leaving my meetings without a gift, so bear with me till the end, and I like to give gifts. So we're discussing today the Unitsky String Technology. What are we going to discuss? Transportation problems around the world. Are there any solutions? Project benefits, then the legal aspects, the benefits to become a partner, and how to become financially independent. That is what we're going to talk about. So let's start with the problems of, well, I don't like to say problems, but at least challenges in transportation at the moment. Well, I only have one word, and that is stuck. Everything everywhere is stuck. You stuck in traffic. It's quite dangerous because there's a lot of accidents. And yes, it's disastrous for our health, the environment. We urgently need modernization because cars are on the road for more than 150 years now. So we are ready. And I know a lot of people are waiting for a new way of transportation. Yeah. And of course, there's a lot of road accidents, big pollution, a lot of stress. The people are not in a good emotional state if you're stuck in traffic every day. Yeah, that's of course. And then it's disastrous for green areas. I can see it here. I live in a very green area. And if they build a road, we lose a lot of green. Yeah, and we are ready for a safe, more safe, eco-friendly, and affordable transportation. Because if you ask your parents 50 years ago how much a liter or a gallon of gasoline or diesel cost and how much a car costs, yeah, then you now know it's a very costly transportation. Even now, if you want to fly to somewhere, take an airplane. Oh my God, all the prices are too high, and it's not necessary because we have a solution. And engineers and inventors, they work together, and the result is Unitsky String Technology. It's an innovation solution to critical transportation problems. Yeah. So what are we going to talk about? US transport overview. So it's going to be about high speed and efficiency, safety and reliability, then multi-applications, you'll be surprised, and cost effectiveness and eco-friendly. Yes. So let's start with get to your destiny quickly and safe. Yeah, the speed is for the small vehicles 150 kilometers an hour. For the high speed, 500 kilometers an hour. Yeah, that's as fast as an airplane. Then cargo, think about trucks. Yeah, think about trucks on the roads. Now think about cargo in the air. 500-ton cargo a day in an automated state. So that means there's no driver, there's no accidents, it's in the air. Yeah, And then the traffic interval, what does that mean? That if you see these vehicles, they can be filled up and unloaded by people, cargo, yeah, in 20 seconds. That is fast, yeah. So one vehicle after the other can open up, people step in, people step out, 20 seconds. And then the reliability of the structure. No shaking, no wobbling, no rocking. And I was in these vehicles. And it's absolutely a smooth ride, very comfortable, and the view is amazing. Automated control system. So no human errors anymore. Yeah, nobody can fall asleep behind the steering wheel. And then resistance to external influence, no danger for heat and cold and rainfall and hurricanes and earthquakes. Because if you know how the technology is built, you know that the technology can resist earthquakes, hurricanes, and so on. So you're very protected for the influence of the weather. And then eco-friendly. Eco-friendly, that means, oh, let me just get, oops, we lost, did we lose it? Okay, there we go. Eco-friendly, UST transport in harmony with nature. And a lot of people start realizing finally that the environment is very important. If our planet is dead, we're dead too, yeah? And we need to protect her. So environment friendly does not limit harmful materials to the atmosphere. So there's no exhaustion, yeah, there's no waste. Low noise does not cause discomfort for people. If you live next to a main road, you know the discomfort. If you live in a city, there's always noise of the traffic, yeah, and that's very, very bad for you and the environment. Preservative of the environment. More areas are left for parks, playgrounds, and recreation areas. Yeah, because we're in the air. The technology is in the air, so underneath we can do whatever we want. So cost-effective US transport required less steel, concrete, and no asphalt. Much cheaper to implement. So to build it is very cheap. No need to build costly infrastructure. Exceptional sustainable costs. So that means to build UST is very cheap. And Unitsky told us that to change the time period to change these wires is 50 years. Do you know that the normal cable car transport, they need to change every 2 years or 5 years max? So can you imagine? Low energy cost. Some of these vehicles even produce their own electricity. The Kaat we had an experiment and it worked perfectly. Compare it to the other current solutions, we are very, very eco-friendly and low in energy. Cheap fares, so that has an impact on our pockets, yeah, wallets. So the traveling will be very much cheaper, but think a little bit further. Transportation of goods and food will be also much cheaper, and the highest cost we pay for food and our goods is transportation. Yeah. So we have a solution for everything. Where others can't, we can. I like this. Passenger, freight, high speed transportation is available, yeah. It's certified available. UST transport is friendly and integrates with other modes of transportation. So people say, yeah, but a lot of people gonna lose their jobs. No, of course not. these projects will only connect crucial stations, yeah, and from that station to, for example, a shop or a supermarket, there is other transportation needed. So we work together. It's not against other transportations, yeah. Places in urban environments and beyond, in mountains, deserts, and glacier zones, so we can build everywhere. And who's behind this? This is our wonderful Dr. Anatoly Unitsky. He's an engineer of the world. He's a general director of Unitsky String Technology Inc. and the president of UJC, Unitsky Group of Companies. Author of more than 200 scientific works, 20 monographies, that means books, and 150 inventions on his name. 150. That's amazing, yeah? Then member of the USSR Cosmonautic Federation, yeah. That's his passion, is space. And then science and inventor recognized by the scientific and global engineering community, sorry. So Mr. Unitsky had a vision when he was 6 years old that he would change transportation in the world. He's doing this now together with us. We support him, and he's active since he's 6 years old. He shot his first rocket with a mouse in when he was 7 years old, and he's now 75, and he's still working, and he does that not for himself, but he does that for the next generations. So I have a lot of respect for him, and I'm not the only one. So Unitsky String Technology, this is an international engineering company, String Technology CGSC, which develops, designs, and tests and operates UST transport and infrastructure complex. Yeah, we have more than 600 specialists working for our company. Yeah, this is a big company, in other words. What else does Unitsky String Technology owns? 60 design offices, 36 buildings and structures, 3,000 units of machinery and equipment. So we're completely self-sufficient. We can make a vehicle from A to Z. 36-hectare area of demonstration and certification center, and we all know it. It's one in Belarus and one in Sharjah, the United Arab Emirates. Over 10 transport infrastructure complex in the Republic of Belarus. So here you have some beautiful pictures. This is the first one, the green one is in Belarus. The test park, then we have the test park USky, it is called USky, that test park in Sharjah in the UAE. And there is also the Kaat transportation. And I told you about the Kaat is producing its own electricity. And you have an amazing view. You can see the ground. It's constructed like this, designed like this, that you can see everywhere around you and underneath you. So people ask me a lot about this. What is JTI? JTI is a principal company of the group, is responsible for ensuring that the project structure is effective for different types of finances. So that is the main financial fund where money goes in and out. Then Unitsky is to protect Unitsky, yeah, the founder. And then ERSS Holding, that is the fund that holds the shares, yeah, the B-class shares of JTI and protects the co-owners. Do you understand? So this is, if you see these names, if you see this written somewhere, then you know. I can always send you the PowerPoint, and you can read for yourself later on, or you can stop the recording and read it yourself. So now, what is Skyworld Community? Skyworld Community, or SWC, is our official partner for the Unitsky String Technology. It's a large international social venture ecosystem specialized in finance green technology. Yeah, so it's our crowdfund investment platform that at this moment supports and gathers the funds for Unitsky String Technology. Yeah, and here's a beautiful picture of the high speed. So then there was a rebranding of Unitsky String Technology. It was called Skyway before. And so please, this was the old logo, yeah, Skyway. But because we entered the global market and we changed from a startup to a business stage, Unitsky decided to call the technology, the company, Unitsky String Technology. Yeah. So please tell everybody that our company is called Unitsky String Technology, and the technology itself is called string transportation. Yeah, string rail transportation, string transportation. So pass this on to people you know. If you see it on social media and people still call it Skyway, please update them. Then that means that these people are not updated and they need to be informed. So it's very easy to register. A lot of people ask me, okay, I want to become a co-owner. How to do this? Well, you ask a personal link from somebody who invited you. Then you get verified, and then you choose a package, and you upload your funds in a convenient way. And then after you pay the package, if it's in installments or in one-time payment, there is a pop-up window where you sign a contract, and that is your convertible loan. And it looks like this. So you can download this contract. If it's in ownership, you can download the contract, and you can read through it. It's in English and Russian. Yeah. So your name is in there, your address is in there, everything is in there, and of course your numbers of portions and what number of portions, because they have numbers. Yeah. The payment of dividends depend on the receipt of the annual net profit. So how much are we going to get rewarded? A lot of people ask that. Well, and when the JTI fund gave us the information, when the company has 40% of profit, then 20%, half of it, goes to the co-owners. It will be divided and to reward the co-owners. The more portions you own, the more rewards, of course. Yeah. So, and all of this is inherited. Yeah. People ask me, what happens if I'm not here anymore? If I leave this beautiful planet, you can pass it on to your children or the person you choose to inherit this. Yeah, because it's on your name, and it's all legal on your name, and you can only pass it on if you leave this beautiful planet. Yeah? So to know what to do, if somebody who owns shares in your family, who own portions in your family, and leave this beautiful planet, and it happens, yes, sadly, but it happens, that's life, then you need to contact support, and they give you instructions. They give you instructions what to do and how to do it. So all the privilege and benefits described above can only be secured if you are participating in the project till the end of stage 15. And we're in that final stage. So take advantage of it. Yeah. Rising funds and earn together with Skyworld community. There is an affiliation program on the platform, on the Skyworld community platform, and you can become a partner, an active partner, and you can, and then you will get rewarded already. So what do you get? You can get up to 80% of the finances you raise. Yeah, it depends where you are in the partner structure. You can get one time rewarded up till 2000. It also depends on the status you achieved. Then you have monthly bonuses, yeah, of the volume of investment and bonuses for development of partner structure. And there, of course, there are promotions for people with a certain status, winnings and traveling in for the company leaders. Yes, so you can make a business out of Skyward community. Help us raise funds for Unitsky String Technology. Bring a new era of transportation in the world, do something for the environment, but also give benefit to a lot of families for next 100 years. And in the meanwhile, have a good running business. Yeah. Then there is a training platform. And this training platform is called Smart World Community. I'm soon gonna, the 29th, there's gonna be a course for how to deal with big investors. So if you're interested, you can always contact me, and you can always follow together with me this course. So how do you get on this platform? You first have to be a member of Skyworld community platform. With that login, you can get access to the Smart World community, yeah, platform. And if you need more information, please contact me. So they're very, very easy to get in there. You register as a partner for Skyworld community, and you get verified, and then you sign the partner agreement. That is for people who want to be active. And this is especially for people who want to start a business on Skyworld community platform. Become a co-owner of Unitsky String Technology, and in case of successful implementation of the project, you get rewards for life. Yeah. Earn money from selling technology portions and generate asset for transmission of inherited. Yeah. So I already told you these shares, these portions are inherited, and you get rewarded for life. This is in pre-sale, in private sales. That means that you cannot know about it unless somebody told you. Yeah, it's not on the commercial market. Yeah, so unless somebody told you, you do not know. So tell a lot of people of this opportunity. It's still in private sales, and the portions are ridiculous cheap. So become a Skyworld community partner. Earn right now with the referral program. Learn in demand skills and professions. Yes, we have access to the Smart World community platform, and we have access to a lot of free courses, and it will benefit not only your business, but also your life. Become partner of a global community and find like-minded people. Yes, we are a family. Participate in pro-environmental projects. Yes, this is all about saving the planet. Unitsky, from the 10 words he says, it's 9 words. It's about saving the biosphere. Get your opportunity to become a member of the unique Skyworld Community Prime Club. Yeah, so there is a club for big investors, and they have a lot of benefits and courses and so on. So check that out too. Unitsky String Technology, the key to sustainable development of the future transportation infrastructure. Absolutely. We bring a new era in transportation. Skyward community, your opportunity to support innovative technology and gain financial independence. And that's also true. So I'm going to give you some instructions that I got as a creator to share the correct information to others. So we can say become a co-owner. Investment in the technology is not the same as becoming an owner of Unitsky String Technology company. So we say become a co-owner. Then do not use the word crowdfunding. The correct word is crowd investing. Yes, no crowdfunding. There's a big difference. Crowd investing. Then it is forbidden to call portions as shares. It's a serious violation. All portions will become shares after the technology is capitalized, so it goes on the stock market. And of course, first we have to finish the stage 15. Yes, so do not call it shares, but portions. It is forbidden to show other people's personal accounts. And I see people do that on social media. If somebody in their structure bought a big package, then they make a screenshot and then they ask a screenshot and they post it on social media. That is inside information and should not be shared. Then using the Skyway wording. It is not Skyway anymore. The rebranding started in 2019. That's a long time ago, and still people use that word. So use Unitsky String Technology, and the technology is the string technology. Yeah, the transportation technology is the string technology. It's very easy. Unitsky String Technology, Unitsky is the CEO and the inventor, and the technology is called string technology. Yeah. Okay, then USky, a lot of people use the word USky. I did too, and this is the name of the certification center in Sharjah in UAE. Yeah, so there where transportation systems are tested and certified, that park, that certification park, is called USky. And then incorrect information that you can that a lot of people share at this moment, but less and less. In 2025, UST is going public. You have time to invest and make a profit. That is not correct. Correct is the project has now reached its final 15th stage of financing. To grab grab the opportunity to become a co-owner of a promising transportation technology. Yes, and it is very promising. Then incorrect is invest in profitable in Skyway or Skyworld Community. Skyworld Community you cannot invest in. It's the funding platform. Correct one is become a co-owner of the promising UST transportation technology on the most favorable terms. And the terms are very favorable. So please pay attention that you use the correct information. If you want to view this recording, please do. If you like to have the PowerPoint, I can also share it with you. So if people do not want to change, the company will take action. Yeah, so they can. Yeah, if you bring out wrong information into the public domain, the company can take action. Then there's good news. Dubai approved plans for Skypods. That's the name of the vehicles they're going to use in the United Arab Emirates. and it's about 65 kilometers. That is amazing news. Yeah, and it was all over internet, so it is confirmed. Then for India, we have a big offline meeting in Mumbai. Please go there. My community manager, Madame Pearl, will be there and assist you with all your technical issues and give you the latest updates. And she's glad to be there and meet you all. Then there is a big convention, big meeting in Prague, the Czech Republic. This is for Europe, but everybody's welcome from all over the globe. And that's going to be a weekend where you can follow meeting courses and you get updates. The two CEOs of Skyward Community will be there. You're going to have coaching. You're going to have information how to invest and so on and so on. So it's going to be a nice weekend. And then I told you nobody's leaving my meetings without a gift. If you scan this QR code, or for the people who are in the meeting here, we will put the link in the chat. If you fill in this form and you give us some feedback about this information session, it's always appreciated, and we appreciate it with this. So it is a promotion, 175. So for $1 you get 75 portions. Yeah, so it's a very good deal. Calculate it yourself, but if you calculate it for $1 divide by 75, you get the portions ridiculous cheap. And there's a package for $250, there's a package for $500, and there's a package for $1,000. And you can see here the amount of portions is very high. So grab your chance, give us some feedback, it's appreciated. Then there's also the installment packages. You get 170. For $1, you get 70 portions. So there's the package of 50, 100, and 200 a month. Yeah. Okay. So my name is Kaat Jacobs. I'm the curator of India and top expert on Skyward Community Platform. It was a pleasure that you were here with me again. If you need extra information or what else you have questions, please contact my team, india@skyway.capital, or reach out for me on my telephone. Thank you very much and see you next time.